Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this drone. This thing is so cool. I've already taken it out of the box, and this is what it comes in. An awesome carrying case that you can take with you wherever you want to go because it's all in here, really nice. I'm gonna bring in here so we can take a look at it. But this thing's got a 1080p camera. You control it from your app or from the remote. Does the 360 flips. You can even move the camera from the remote. You don't have to actually go up and physically touch it. You just use the remote. It'll move the camera around for you. This is so neat. So I'm gonna bring in here and we'll look at it. So here is the drone all packaged up in here. At the top, you have your charging cord and you have extra blades that come in the pack along with a little screwdriver to get them put in there. But in case you did break some blades, you've got extras. And then over here, you have your remote control, which does require some AA batteries that you'll need to get. And then you have all your functions on here. So you've got how you can actually tilt your camera, you do the one flip. It actually has the one takeoff key for landing and takeoff. And then your altitude hold, you actually can do a headless mode. So right there is your USB port. This is your battery that you would then charge up for the drone. Now this is a foldable drone, so you just have to unfold it. Your battery goes in there. There's your high def camera that goes in the 1080p. And then you just unfold its wings. Okay, so now we've got to insert the battery. You have your power button here at the top. And you turn it on. You've got lights on the bottom, which are super cool. And then your remote, you turn that on, and now you've got it paired together, and they're ready to go. We're going to hook on the phone, which actually goes just right here on the top of your remote. You hook in your phone, it's got this little part that moves, so depending on whatever size phone you have, this can go in there. Now you do have to hook this into your Wi-Fi and download the app, so we're gonna go do that and we'll take it outside. Okay, so now we're outside and we've got him hooked up for the camera, and that is very clear on the camera of what he sees. Now we're gonna take him off, so get him started.
So we go up, you have to push up to get him his propellers going, and then you just go up on one side and it hovers him. You can go backward, you can go forwards and backwards by just pushing the right side, and you can move his camera by going up. You just gotta push this button up here on the left and then down, and it moves his camera without trying to touch it. And you can do the 360 flip, and it does a 360 flip.
Okay, and then it does actually allow you to take videos and pictures. So if you wanted to take the video and picture, you just click this and it will then be recording, and you can see that record button right up there at the corner. And you can also then take a picture of what you were looking at. So now we're just gonna kind of fly him around a little bit, and he can go left and right. He can flip around. Can you make him flip again? Okay, and bring him back over here. Back him up. So this is really easy to control. My daughter is controlling it with no problems at all. It does a great job hovering, keeping control, and that quality of the pictures were so great. Can you go ahead and land him? You have the one-touch landing. He turns down and he turns off. He's ready to go for another time. This is a nice foldable drone that you can take with you, take your pictures, take videos. It's very self-explanatory, and you can just use this as your controls too. If you didn't want to use the remote, you can also just use the remote on there.